I'm going to teach you about the use of this and that. Already you know that this and that are the demonstrative pronoun which demonstrate anything. Let us come to this point and to know that what is the use, what are the uses of this and that. So this use of this this is used this is used for demonstrate this is used for demonstrate any object as nearer. It expresses it expresses it expresses the nearest expression this. Now for example, this is a boy, this is a boy, यह एक लड़का है. Is this a boy? But in condition of this, there is two condition of this. Sometimes this as given example I have given you, this is a boy, is this a boy? But if you use this as a demonstrative adjective, easily you can write here demonstrative pronoun. Now here this is demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun. But if you write here, this boy is fat. In this condition, it is in this condition, this is used as demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective. You know that the plural of this is these. These, singular and plural. This, singular, and this, plural. So its verb, this का जो verb होता है वो is, and the verb of this are. Now easily you can write these boys, are fat. Second, these are fat boys. Now here this denotes the demonstrative pronoun here, and now here these denotes the demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective, and now here demonstrative pronoun. Same like this, that. That is used for further expression, that is used for further expression, and the plural of that is those. That is those. Same things is like this का जैसे use होता है, like the use of this is the use of that. That demonstrate the further things and this demonstrate the nearest things. Now here is example for that. That is a fat boy. Second, that boy is fat. Students, easily you can understand the matter what I have written here. Now first, that is the demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun. But now here, that is demonstrative adjective. Okay? Now this and that. There are two types of the demonstrative pronoun. This and that. And the plural of this is this and the plural of that is those. But there are two ways of their use. But there are two way of this use. इनके जो use है उसके दो तरीके हैं. There are two way. First way, demonstrative pronoun. If you use this or that in demonstrative pronoun, easily you can say that this is a boy, this is a girl, this is a student. Okay? But if you use it in demonstrative adjective, easily you can say that this boy is here. That boy is there. That boy is there. And the plural of that is those and the plural of this is these. Already you know that the plural subject, plural verb, singular subject, singular verb. So those boys are there. Those boys are there. So like this to be same things, demonstrative pronoun and demonstrative adjective. दोनों में जो है थोड़ा सा जो है डिफरेंट उसका जो है हम लोग का यूज होता है, तो उसको जानना पड़ेगा. यू विल हैव टू नो दैट व्हाट आर द रियल यूज ऑफ दिस एंड दैट एंड व्हाट आर द रियल यूज ऑफ दोज दिस एंड दोज. इसका जो है दो तरीका हो गया. अब लेट अस कम टू दिस. फाइंड दैट बॉय who is standing, that boy who is standing beside the blackboard is that boy who is standing beside the blackboard is a student. Now here I have written that boy. Sometimes you can write here the boy who is standing beside the blackboard is a student. Now here is the demonstrative adjective and the is also demonstrative adjective. both are same. The boy who is particularize करता है the article यहाँ पर, वही लड़का, वही लड़का who is standing beside the blackboard, जो blackboard के बगल में खड़ा है, is a student, एक छात्र है. जैसे हम लोग कहते हैं this is the boy. Example, this is the boy. This is the boy who has. This is the boy who has stood first in his class. Now here this is the boy who has stood first in his class. The boy who has stood first in his class. This is the boy who has stood first in his class. Yeah, this should demonstrate the subject boy. This demonstrate the boy. What condition of the boy? He stood first. He has stood first in his class. There are two things. This demonstrate the boy. This demonstrate the boy. Particularize the boy. This is the boy who has stood first in his class. Okay. Next thing. Place these books on the table. On the table. Place the book. Place the books on the table. Here I have given two examples. In first example, now here is these. Place these books on the table. Second, place the books on the table. किताबों को मेज पर रख दो. किताबों को, इन किताबों को मेज पर रख दो. किताबों को मेज पर रख दो. Now these particularize the books. इन्हीं किताबों को. Now here the not particularize the books but place the books on the table. किताबों को, इन किताबों को, उन किताबों को नहीं. किताबों को, अब किन किताबों को, इसमें कंडीशन नहीं दिया गया. So yeah, these or this and that. Easily you can say, you can learn it that this and that both are the demonstrative pronoun and demonstrative adjective sometimes, but the place of the demonstrative adjective is differ from the place of demonstrative pronoun. Okay. Now to prepare at your home, what is the use of this and that, and to learn it at your home. Okay.